In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to make the Entity Framework Core model visually and connect .NET Console application to the Oracle database. You have the option to choose between a free trial and the full version. The free trial lasts 30 days, providing access to all features. It's not for commercial use and doesn't require a license key. To begin, simply download the installer from the dotConnect website and install it. If you decide to buy the full version, your activation key can be found in the dotConnect customer portal. To get started, you'll first need to create a new console application project in Visual Studio. Before we start coding, let's take a quick look at some data from the Oracle database. Right-click on Data Connections, then select Add Connection. Input your Oracle connection properties. Keep in mind that the dotConnect for Oracle provides direct access to Oracle without the need for an Oracle client. It also supports connection methods like SSH, proxy, and more, offering greater flexibility. Once the connection is live, expand the Oracle connection to see all the available tables. For example, let's open the tables to inspect its fields. You can retrieve data from the tables to review the structure of the data. Next up, let's get the necessary components to enable Oracle connectivity. Right-click on the Solution Explorer, then select the NuGet Package Manager. Search for Entity Framework Core and click Install. After that, install the dotConnect Data Oracle EF Core package. Now, your project is all set up and ready to go. For this tutorial, we'll create an EF Core model using Entity Developer. Add a new data item to your project, choose dotConnect EF Core Model, and click Add. In the Create Model wizard, choose Database first, then fill in the details of your Oracle database connection. Select which database objects and model contents you want to scaffold. Let's use some related tables from the test database. Define the naming conventions for your property names, then move to the Model Properties page. Here, you'll specify where your connection properties will be saved, the EF Core version and target framework you need, and adjust other settings like the context class name or namespaces. Click Next when done. Now, you'll choose what content to include in the model diagram. You can either use all entities, split the entities by database, or make a custom selection based on your needs. Next, choose code generation templates for your objects. Feel free to adjust parameters for a tailored setup. For this tutorial, let's stick with the default settings. Since we've already added the necessary NuGet package to the project, uncheck the NuGet package box. Finally, click Finish. Our model is ready. We've now created the model. If you ever need to add new properties, modify associations, or update existing class attributes, you can do so easily with the visual tools. After making changes, you can update the database from the model or generate scripts for the database. In the next part of this tutorial, we'll go over data context and DB context classes. Let's add the license key parameter to the connection strings. Now, in our application, we're going to connect to the database and retrieve data from the employee and department tables. Once we run the application, the console window will display the result, showing whether the connection to Oracle was successfully established and whether sample table rows were fetched. This tutorial covered the essential steps to make EF Core Model and connect .NET Console application using dotConnect for Oracle. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Feel free to share the video with anyone who might benefit from it.